Yeah, so I just missed the blue jay, the bluebird again, but I was able to catch this bird. Red bird, and then there's some other birds. There's some kind of gray bird with a orange or reddish beak. So I'm gonna see if I can catch him. Oh, there he is right here. Let's see if I can get him. It's about right here. I don't know what kind of bird that is. Sorry that my color in this phone is not like the same color. So I have to go through my settings and try to figure out how to fix my quality of my videos. I cannot see the bird. Oh, there it is. So I can't see it when I look off camera, then look back on camera. I think the blue jay is every time I come by the window, I see him. Then by the time I grab my phone, he's gone. He was down here on the ground up in there. Maybe he'll come back. But I guess I see him. I probably won't be able to catch him on camera, but he's down here, up in here somewhere. So maybe before this 3 minutes is up, I'll be able to catch him. Oh, there he is up here. Let's see if I can find. Oh, he's right there. He flew away too fast. I don't know where he is now. Oh, he's still up there somewhere. So maybe I'll be able to catch him in the next few minutes or so. But yeah, the tree is still down in my backyard. And the birds are still feasting on this tree, which is a good thing because I get to see the different birds that are usually in the tree. And I usually can't see them because the tree is usually high up